Welcome to Venbha Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is a very quick and easily made delicious sweet Rava Laddu. Let's get started and catch up with the recipe. First, take 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and roast few cashews and dry grapes until it turns brown. Then in the same pan, add 2 cups of rava and roast in medium flame for a few minutes. Don't burn it. Once the color of rava started to change, that is the time to switch off the stove and then place it in a plate. Then add 2 cups of powdered sugar. If we add equal proportion of rava and sugar, that tastes good. Then add roasted nuts and dry fruits. Then add cardamom powder. Mix well all the ingredients. Then add little amount of milk into it. This moisture will bind well and easy to roll them into a laddu like this. Now our traditional and delicious laddu is ready. We can store it more than a week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share your comments.